Chibuzo onye kwere mbụkwanụ President General nzukọ Arochukwu Women's Wing Worldwide mbụkwanụ onye Amannagwu mbụ onye eziogo ebe a nọ na-eme ihe mbụ onye eziogo Amannagwu.
Ma biko tu ole ihe a na-eme n'ebe a?
Taa wụ Amannagwu Day every 27th of December anyị na-ezukọta n'ebe a ịkwanyere ụfọdụ ndị rụrụ ọrụ ugwu ma ịkwanyekwara ma ndị nwụrụ anwụrụ lere ọrụ na-emeghị ihe ịkwanyere ugwu n'ihi na a na-enyewa awọdụ a na-enyewe na-emekwa ha ejisi ike na-arụ ọrụ na-arụzikwa ọrụ agawo dị mbụ na-arụ karịa.
Ma kemgbe Nzinna bụ eme ihe ya Amannagwu dị ọnwa ka ihe uru nrita dị n'ime ya gị nwa hụrụ?
Ọtụtụ ihe dị a na-eji ego a na-enweta na-arụ ọrụ na Amannagwu. Ile anya nwe họl a na-arụ ịfụlanụ ihe kọmuniti nke enwetara eti nke enwetara eti ile anya arụgbawala ụlọ ọhụụ ọ dị ụlọ elu họl anyị ebe anyị ma nọ na-eme ihe dị iche iche.
Presentation of President General opening speech. President General worldwide opening speech on that page. On page 6 of their program. Because each day you may pay more than a program. Some Amasi president to a mayor bridge. My brother super there. I'm not giving him other. I'm appealing because I'm carrying a canopy here. So many microphone now. Every go what the program of the go. O select every important to Quran, please. Amannagwu mama. Everybody in this because only 5,000 only. Because nobody kept anything for me.
Today, a very glorious day. I remember
One scholarship from the family, primary 1 to 6. Mazi Obido Mata, £200 support. All support. $10,000 now support people. £300 support. I support it. I feel it 5,000 naira. 2,000 naira from Sinamadu and Lokoro. $40,000 naira. 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira.
Did you?
Is Okorafo, Okorafo. The is Agu and Okoragu the third in Arochukwu Kingdom.
Mazi biko ole ihe na emeti n'ebe a.
Today is Amannagwu Day. We are celebrating Amannagwu Day, which we have been doing every year.
Mazi ihe Amannagwu na-eme ka the benefit nọ n'ime ya.
It's for development. You can even see we have the executive of Amannagwu starting from the President General. So they are now raising funds for development of Amannagwu entirely.
Mazi ke ihe ekele na-ekele ndị Amannagwu otu ha shi na-eme mmemme ha.
Very good. I just even praise them very well because tomorrow I'm going to one of my domain in Ubo. That's my domain. I'm going there for the Ubo there because they are presenting the essay there, which they invited me to be there at the essay. We have Amannagwu London community something, which they invited me. I went to the United States. I'm sorry, UK. So the same thing to America. I went there myself. I've been there 3 times. They are doing a very nice thing, sending their money and fund everything for the development of Amannagwu. Actually, because these people, the executive will be going this in Easter. We are looking forward for the new executive to emerge. And we hope that they will carry on with the former people here to execute finally. Thank you. We have been, some of them are here already. I sent a very good message to them because they have been for a good help to us, even to the ESA myself, because I will thank them very much for their cooperation and everything towards the development of Amannagwu, which they have been helping. Thank you. We have been hearing about Adamazi, even in Arochukwu, and they have been performing wonderfully. So we thank you people, and we pray that future will tell more, and you people will perform more than this. Thank you.
Appreciate award of 50,000 naira. That on behalf of Godswill, we are giving Amannagwu 500,000. I support you with 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira.
Thank you very much. Our Honorable Dr. Mike Okoha, Nwa Eziogo, Amannagwu, Arochukwu, in Arochukwu local government area of Abia State. Today was Amannagwu Day, usually on the 27th of every year. Amannagwu be a bit both in Diaspora, in Lagos, Kaduna, all over the world, we meet today to discuss issues concerning Amannagwu development. So today is Amannagwu Day, the 27th of December, 2023. It's an annual event, association where we discuss how to develop our community. Look at into education, who and who are struggling, who and who deserve scholarship. We look at development, infrastructure. If you look behind this house, is a hall we are building. We have been building for the past 7 years. So we put money together and we develop our hall. We don't have to wait for local government or the state government. So it's community development. We also have a health center, where we pull up few drugs for sick women, elderly, and young babies for vaccination. So this is the only time in the year we can meet and deliberate on issues concerning Amannagwu. And we have support from those in Diaspora, especially Adamazi TV. For example, what she's doing today is entertainment, and she's trying to cover this event live. So I want to thank my sister, Amannagwu, based in Chicago, United States. You are doing a great job, and we appreciate you. Amannagwu in Diaspora, we are looking at those in United States, those in United Kingdom. We want to thank them for their support. In the crowd over there, you see people from United States, you see people from Ireland, from Germany, from Canada. So we are pulling ourselves. For example, in the United States, Amannagwu community opened their meeting after, in the last 3 years. And within the last 3 years or 4 years, we always provide palliative every year. In the past year, we gave employment to 20 of our young girls and boys. I was involved in delivering that, but the money came from the United States of America. So those in Diaspora are our strong backbone. They are supporting us morally and financially to ensure that some of the issues here locally are actually focused and addressed. My message to Amannagwu is that I want to tell them that we love them, we love what they are doing. We pray that as we move on into 2024, Amannagwu will continue to experience peace, love for one another, because with love and peace, we can do more collectively, because that is the way to, it's not only when you live abroad and enjoy alone, but when you look back to your community, remember those that are less privileged. So I want to thank all Amannagwu in Nigeria, in several branches, and those in Diaspora for doing what they are doing. May God continue to strengthen them, more grace to their able to sustain them and bless them. Long life, good health, and prosperity for all Amannagwu sons and daughters all over the world. Thank you for having me.
My family, Ileji, 50,000, and Apado. Mamman, Yomori, Abiko, now Biakaina, when they know you, they find you, those are the gentlemen. I hear you, because I not say again, I find you. One day, those are the gentlemen now. Why not say all material? Ah, God. How much million pounds? If that man on if you go to so Amannagwu, Mamman. Also, you go here, Amannagwu, Mamman.
for money. I'm a